Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace front turn signal light bulb on Hyundai Elantra generation from 2011 to 2016. We'll be taking the whole car apart guys, so we have more than 200 videos. Subscribe, more videos coming. Also, we'll be taking the engine apart because it started knocking. We'll demonstrate how to do the front left turn signal today, because the right one is easy. The left one you have to remove the headlight, and we'll show you how to do the right one in case you need to. So stay with us and we'll start on it now. We will open the hood, and as I said, we'll be working on the left side, the left headlight, because you don't have as much room. The right one, most of the things, okay, you can reach them without removing the headlight, but in this case we'll have to remove the headlight. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So with the 12mm socket, we're going to remove that bolt right there. Two more bolts with 10mm socket. First one was 12, these ones are 10. Next, we'll need to remove 3 clips on the bumper, so we don't damage the bumper. I've seen people scratching their bumper because they're too lazy to remove 3 clips. So here, you need to unscrew the middle piece out, okay? Hold the outside, help it with a little bitty screwdriver if you need to here, because sometimes they'll get stuck. Okay, like that, and now start unscrewing. Okay, perfect. Now you can just unscrew it. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, let me show you how it works. You see it like that. We have, okay, I'm trying to focus because of the sunlight. One more here and one more over there. Okay. This one came out as well. Now, you grab the headlight. The first thing that you do, okay, you need to pull towards the front. Okay, this end goes towards the front. Okay, a little bit. You hear coming out of the clips. Now you need to grab the bumper and pull a little bit towards the front. Okay, and then the headlight needs to go up, straight up. Careful not to scratch your bumper there. Now we need to disconnect the wires. You pull down and you push them out. Okay. And the headlight came out. So now the turn signal bulb is located right here. You can see it's that orange bulb. And you access it from this side. Okay, you have this one right here. This one is for park light. Okay, so you need to go ahead and turn counterclockwise. Okay, like that. And this is the bulb. Now, you don't replace the whole thing, you just replace the bulb. So you push down on the bulb and turn counterclockwise, and you can pull it out. And the number that we have right here for our 2013 Elantra, it says 2357. So you grab the new bulb, get in the slots, push down a little bit on it so it doesn't break in your fingers, and turn clockwise to lock it in place. So now, since you have the new bulb installed on the socket, it goes only one certain way here. Okay, you have to find that the slots go in, and once it goes in, it's going to sink. You're going to see like that and turn clockwise. Okay, like that. You can see it's locked in place. So all we have left is to install the headlight now. So now you have the 2 clips here, one there. You can see they go, one is here, one is over there. So first we need to go there. Okay, one person can be pulling the bumper a little bit. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard to see because of the sunshine, sorry about that. Okay, and here very careful not to damage your bumper. Okay, so we got in. Now, okay, we need to go towards the back. Okay. Okay, it's not in all the way on this side. Okay, you went in. Now we have to connect our wire. Push in until it clicks. Next we need to install the 3 bolts that we have there. One is with 12mm socket and 2 are with 10mm. Okay, get those tight, and next we need to install the clips. Okay, let me show you how you do that. You push You push the middle piece in first. Okay, let me focus quick because it's quite a bit of sunshine here. Okay, middle piece in, and then the outside piece you can just push it in like that. You do the same for the rest of them. Okay, and the one over there. I've seen people not removing those, but you want to be able to pull the bumper just a little bit in the corner here so you don't damage it. Next, okay, if they don't go in, you can just screw them with a screwdriver. Okay, like that. And all we got left is to get the 3 bolts tight now. Just careful not to over tighten them. So that's how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need to see anything else, let us know. We'll be taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and thank you again. See you next time.